1 messy bun with twisted braids. Create a messy bun and add some elegance by incorporating twisted braids. This hairstyle gives a romantic and effortless look. 2 side-swept curls. Create loose, voluminous curls and sweep them to one side for a glamorous and sophisticated look. It's a classic choice that never goes out of style. 3. Half up, half down with accessories. Style your hair in a half up, half down hairstyle and add some sparkle with hair accessories like jeweled clips or a floral crown. 4. Low chignon with embellishments. Create a low chignon at the nape of your neck and add some embellishments like hairpins or fresh flowers for a chic and polished look. 5. Braided updo. Opt for an intricate braided updo that adds a touch of elegance to your overall look. You can choose from fishtail braids, Dutch braids, or French braids. 6. Classic updo. Create a sleek and elegant updo by twisting and pinning your hair into a bun. This timeless hairstyle is perfect for a formal wedding. 7. Romantic waves. If you prefer a more soft and romantic look, try loose waves cascading down your shoulders. You can achieve this look with a curling iron or by braiding your hair overnight. 8. Braided crown. Create a beautiful braided crown by braiding sections of your hair on both sides of your head and pinning them together at the back. This hairstyle adds a touch of bohemian charm to your look. 9. Vintage-inspired victory rolls. For a retro and glamorous look, try victory rolls. Create large curls and roll them inward, securing them with bobby pins. This hairstyle is perfect for a vintage-themed wedding. 10. Glamorous ponytail. Elevate a simple ponytail by adding volume and sleekness. Tease the crown of your hair for some height and wrap a strand of hair around the hair tie to conceal it. Remember to choose a hairstyle that complements your outfit and personal style. Enjoy experimenting with different looks and have a fabulous time at the wedding.